Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make black-eyed pea stew with sausage and kale, and I'll be using my Ninja Foodi. This recipe is packed with flavor. I promise you're going to want to give this a try. First, let's start off by slicing one whole onion. Next, it's time to chop 4 cloves of garlic. Now let's slice up 1 pound of andouille sausage. Now let's slice up some bacon. My bacon is frozen, so that's why it's a little on the stiff side. So I have preheated my Foodi on saute high, and now I am going to brown the sausage and the bacon. And I'm just going to let this cook until the bacon is crispy and the sausage has nice color. Now it's time to add in the onion and let that cook for a couple minutes. Now let's toss in the garlic and let that cook for about a minute. And once the garlic has had a chance to cook, add in 2 12-ounce bags of frozen black-eyed peas. Now it's time to add in the seasonings. So I'm starting off with some Creole seasoning, followed by a little bit of dried thyme, and then some crushed red pepper flakes, followed by some freshly ground black pepper and some kosher salt. So let's stir that all together, and now it's time to add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes, followed by 2 cans of chicken broth. Finally, I'm going to add in a couple bay leaves, and then real quick, I'm going to taste the broth to make sure it's nice and well seasoned. Okay, time to seal the pressure cooker, and we're going to cancel the saute setting and change it to cook on high pressure for 20 minutes, followed by a natural release. Once the black-eyed pea stew has cooked and the pressure has released, it's time to go ahead and remove the bay leaves. Give this a quick little stir, and I've got 2 bunches of kale that I have washed, chopped, and removed the stems, and I'm just going to add the kale a little bit at a time until it's all nice and wilted. Here is what your stew will look like once the kale has been added, and now it's just time to serve it up. This stew was delicious. The kids told me the house smelled amazing. I served this stew with that buttermilk cornbread that I showed you guys last week. I'll have that recipe linked up above and down below in the description box. So what do you think? Did you like this recipe? Are you going to give it a try? Well, give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!